Ultra PoE Cat 6A Direct Burial Bulk Ethernet Cable Review. Solid, shielded, outdoor ready. Nothing derails a network install quite like pulling 400 feet of cable only to discover it can't handle moisture, EMI, or a buried run. I watched a contractor redo an entire outdoor segment after cheap cable failed within a single rainy season. Completely avoidable. If you've ever stared at a failed run and felt that sinking frustration, you already know this pain. The real damage is invisible at first. Intermittent drops, sluggish PoE devices, cameras freezing mid-feed. That gnawing uncertainty about whether your buried cable will survive another winter is genuinely exhausting. One installer told me he spent 3 weekends troubleshooting signal degradation before tracing it back to copper-clad aluminum conductors corroding underground. There is a cleaner, more dependable way to build this right. Everything changed when I found the Ultra PoE Cat 6A Direct Burial Bulk Ethernet cable, and the difference in competence alone was immediate. Don't just grab any outdoor Ethernet cable. Make sure it has solid bare copper conductors and FUTP foil shielding so you never deal with signal degradation, EMI interference, or corroded buried runs again. This cable is built from 23 AWG solid bare copper, which delivers stronger conductivity and long-term signal integrity than any copper-clad alternative on the market. The FUTP foil shielding actively fights electromagnetic interference across the entire 1,000-foot run. With a 750 megahertz bandwidth ceiling and 10 gigabit support up to 328 feet, it handles serious network loads without flinching. The UV-resistant, waterproof OSP jacket goes underground, through conduit, or along exterior walls without compromise. A network contractor I know was mid-install on a commercial property run, nearly out of cable and behind schedule. He pulled from this tangle-free reel, terminated cleanly, and passed field certification on his first attempt. Pure relief. ETL listing and ANSI TIA 568.2E compliance seal that trust further. More proof is coming. Long-term, the Ultra PoE Cat 6A Direct Burial Bulk Ethernet cable earns its place in professional infrastructure by simply not creating problems after install. That dependability compounds daily. A network engineer noted that foil shielding and solid copper construction kept 10 gigabit performance stable, even in electrically noisy commercial environments, calling it a confident choice for demanding outdoor runs. An IT infrastructure reviewer highlighted the direct burial jacket specifically, pointing out that UV resistance and waterproofing remove the anxiety of seasonal weather cycles entirely. From an analyst perspective, PoE++ support at 100 watts positions this cable ahead of standard outdoor options for powering modern high-demand devices like PTZ cameras, smart access points, and advanced IoT hardware. One installer shared that the tangle-free reel format alone saved significant time during a full property deployment, keeping poles smooth and reducing crew fatigue across a long job. Some buyers hesitate because shielded solid copper cable cost more than basic unshielded options. Honestly, that gap pays for itself the moment you avoid a single failed buried run or a PoE device starving for power. Are you currently running shielded or unshielded on your outdoor installs? The RoHS and ETL credentials reinforce every bit of that investment. Thousands of installers and contractors are already running the Ultra PoE Cat 6A Direct Burial Bulk Ethernet cable across commercial properties, residential builds, and outdoor surveillance systems with consistent, dependable results. Results may vary based on installation conditions and termination quality. If you want a buried run that actually holds up through seasons, weather, and high-power PoE demands without second-guessing your material choice, this is the cable worth considering. Check the link in the description and experience the difference a properly built outdoor network feels like today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.